So here is the easiest way that you can make your computer run really fast. First thing what you have to do is that maybe it's a long time you haven't cleaned your disk and you have installed an app, you have uninstalled, you have installed and installed some other apps. So you can, how are you going to clean this space or to clear all data? So what you have to do, number one, to make your computer be run fast, at least you have to clean some other temporary files. So what you'll do, you can go to search and search those temporary files, or you can go to disk cleanup. So let's start by searching temporary files. So when you search temporary files, you can search them like this and go and you'll start scanning, and here you'll find that you can delete those unwanted files. So another way, you can go to disk file manager, then you go to disk cleanup, then you can select those files and delete them. What it does is that it deletes all the updates that they are no longer needed, and those space that or files that they are no longer needed. So another thing you can do is just you go to search and you can search for something like run. So when you go to run, here on search, let's start by searching prefetch. So search the word prefetch. Then after you search, it will load, and those files you see there, they are no longer needed, so you can delete them. And another thing, after you have completed deleting the files, what you have to do is go to run again and search for temp. So after you've searched for temp, you'll see these all files. You can delete them, and after you have completed deleting the files, what you have to do, another last thing, you can search for percentage temp percentage. So these are the file that you'll no longer need. So what you'll have to do is just delete them. Another way you can make your computer run fast is that to stop, you need to at least stop those apps that they will start running immediately you turn on your computer or your laptop or your phone. So to do this on a laptop, what you have to do, you just go here and right click. This is taskbar. Then you search for the startup. So when you go to the startup, then you can switch off those apps that you no longer need them to start when you turn on your computer. So at least today you have learned something, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you'll subscribe and comment down below.